Hello dear students, welcome to our first video of Geography Chapter 6 Major Landforms of the Earth. Internal and external forces of the Earth. Students, when you visit different places, you will notice that the surface of the Earth is not the same everywhere. Our Earth has varieties of landforms. Some parts of Earth are uneven and some are flat. These landforms are a result of two processes. You will be amazed to know that the ground you are standing on is slowly moving. अगर हम कहें कि वह जमीन जिस पर आप खड़े हुए हैं वह धीरे धीरे करके मूव कर रही है तो इस पे आपको बड़ा ही आश्चर्य होगा, बट ये सच है. Within the earth, a continuous movement is taking place. The first or the internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of Earth's surface at several places. Students, हमारे अर्थ के अंदर मूवमेंट्स जारी रहती हैं और उन्हीं के वजह से ही हमारे अर्थ की सरफेस में भी चेंजेस आते हैं. The second or external process is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. The wearing away of Earth's surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by process of deposition. These are carried out by the running water, ice, wind. Broadly, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains. A mountain is any natural elevation of the Earth's surface. The mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. यानी माउंटेन्स जो होते हैं वह इनका ऊपरी हिस्सा काफी पतला होता है और नीचे जो बेस होता है इनका काफी चौड़ा होता है. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the climate becomes colder. जैसा कि हमने इसके पहले भी चैप्टर्स में डिस्कस किया है, every after 165 meters, temperature decreases by 1 degree centigrade. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen river of ice. These are called glaciers. There are some mountains that you cannot see because they are under the sea. Mountainous areas have harsh climate. Very less people live there. Since the slopes are steep, less land is available for farming. Mountain range. Mountains arranged in a line are known as mountain range. जैसा कि आप प्रेयर में स्कूल में खड़े होते हैं लाइन लगा करके, ठीक इसी तरह से हमारे माउंटेन्स भी एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए एक लाइन बनाते हैं. तो ऐसी माउंटेन्स की लाइन जो बनती है उसे हम माउंटेन रेंज के नाम से जानते हैं. माउंटेन सिस्टम. These are series of parallel mountain ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. The Himalayas and the Andes are mountain ranges of Asia and South America respectively. There are three types of mountains: fold mountain, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Let's see them one by one. Fold mountain. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain system in the world. Although the range has considerably worn down due to process of erosion, the Appalachian in North America and Ural Mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old fold mountains. Let's check one of the activity. If you want to know how the fold mountains are formed, then you have to perform one of the activity. As on your screen you can see one of the girl is holding some papers. So same way you have to do the same activity. All you require is a pile of paper. Put the papers on your table. Push the papers from both sides by your hands. The seat will be folded and rise into a peak. You have made a mountain. In the same process, our Himalayas and the Alps were formed. Block mountains. Block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. Uplifted blocks. As you can see on picture, uplifted blocks are called horst and the lowered blocks are called Garben. The Rhine Valley and the Vosges mountain in Europe are examples of such mountain system. Third one is volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are examples of such mountains. Just pause the video and check the locations of important mountains on given map on your screen and locate these on an outline map of the world and attach that map to your notebook. Mountains are very useful to us. They are storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in glaciers in mountains. बहुत सारी नदियां ग्लेशियर से निकलती हैं जो कि इन्हीं माउंटेन्स में पाए जाते हैं. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. हमारे माउंटेन्स पर फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं जिनमें बहुत सारे प्रकार के पेड़ पौधे पाए जाते हैं जो हमारे लिए कई प्रकार से यूजफुल हैं. The forests that are found in mountainous areas provide us fuel, fodder, shelter and other products like gum, resin, etc. Here are some uses of forests or importance of forest given on your screen. So can you think of some other importance of mountains and forest? Just think over it and write down them in your notebook. Let's revise. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface. There are permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as the range. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains. The Aravalli range in India is one of the oldest fold mountains system. Block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Let's check what you have learned. Question number 1. The wearing away of Earth's surface is called option A. Mountains, option B. Plateaus, option C. Erosion and option D. Deposition. Your right answer is option C. Erosion. Question number 2. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen rivers of ice known as option A. River valley, option B. Glaciers, option C. Plateaus and option D. Plains. And your right answer is option B. Glaciers. Question number 3. The lower blocks in block mountains are option A. Graben, option B. Horst, option C. Glaciers, option D. Fold mountains. Your right answer is option A. Graben. Question number 4. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as option A. Horst, option B. Range, option C. Glacier, option D. Mountain system. Here your right answer is option B. Range. Students, here are some questions for your homework. Note it down in your notebook and do it correctly. Thanks for watching. See you soon in our next video.